They haven't been diving for a while in our vlog, so we decided to show you something you've seen already in many videos. I do free diving, but my primary passion is about diving. So that's why I have no proper free diving fins. I did all my free diving in diving fins. So yeah, a little bit extraordinary bog of wreck today, and we really enjoyed the dive there. No one was on a wreck as on any dive site around here at the moment. So many fishes, no one is there. Beautiful. Okay, enjoy the video. A while ago I tried sausages in the Philippines, and since then I stopped eating them because they were sweet. I'm not talking about imported ones, but about local production. Today I would like to give another try to local sausages. Okay, let's try. Local public transport. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and see you in the next video. Bye!